Okay, let's show you how you can make your first 100K in business running your own digital marketing agency. And 100K is a great number, isn't it? Because that's the number we all aspire to. And I'm going to show you how you get there to start with. And if you wait to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can rocket past it and make even more. So my name is Grant Stay and I've been helping people start their own business, running their own digital marketing agency for the last 10 years. I ran my own agency prior to that, started it in 2001. So I made all the mistakes for you, so now I can coach people on how to run their own digital agency and fast track to where they're running a successful agency, not making the mistakes that I made. So let's start off by breaking down the 100K, and it's a nice round number, isn't it? And I'm going to do dollars here. We're based in the UK, but we operate in Canada, in Australia, we operate in the USA, we operate in New Zealand and South Africa. But for the purpose of this one, I'm going to use US dollars to explain how you get to 100K. Now that 100K, if you do it properly the way we teach, will be recurring. Because here at Blam, when we're coaching people to be digital marketing agency owners, we want them to build a business with MRR, monthly recurring revenue. This is the holy grail of business. We want the money landing in the bank account every month, regardless of whether you've made new sales or not. Monthly recurring revenue means you've got happy clients that pay you every month to get the service that they appreciate, and you've only got to sell it once. So many people make the mistake of having to get on the treadmill of keep selling time after time. They get to the beginning of the new month and they're back to scratch and they've got to start selling again because they've got no recurring revenue or no meaningful recurring revenue. Running your agency, you want to be going after MRR. So when I talk about these numbers, this is recurring numbers. It's not one-off numbers. So there are a few core products that small business owners really need that you can supply as a digital marketing agency. And we like to lead the majority of the time with a website. Now, we love websites here at Blam because websites are the foundation of marketing. Most roads lead back to a website. And because the websites that we use are cutting edge, they're super user friendly, they've got loads of AI baked into them as well as loads of other tools that can help us build marketing campaigns effectively and efficiently. And this is what's key about having the right kind of website. So many agencies made the mistake of just focusing on the aesthetic for a website. But I learned something many years ago that actually really disappointed me because I'm a graphic designer, so I love things to look beautiful. And so when we build websites at Blam, they've got to look beautiful. But what I found out years ago was that the aesthetic is not very high on the list when it comes to users making a decision or a purchase decision or to take action on a website. The aesthetic isn't very high up that list. So what we want to focus on is making websites that deliver results. And that means a website that converts. And a conversion means somebody might make a payment on there, they might buy something, or they might fill out a form, book an appointment. They take action on the website. So we lead with websites that can be versatile and have got lots of AI baked into them, which makes them really effective. And we would recommend that you sell that website at $150 per month, every month. And because of the way we operate at Blam, that's pretty much an unlimited updates included. Plus they've got a future-proof website. All of the tools that we bake into those websites means that it's a no hassle, no worry website system. And this is fundamental because as we then add more products to help people grow their business with other marketing products, it makes life so much easier when you've got a really good website as the foundation. So website is number one, that is the foundation, and you can get $150 per month from that website. So number two, the thing that I would recommend. Now in Blam, we call it hyperlocal SEO. Now it may be that because of the nature of the business that we just do SEO, search engine optimization, But hyperlocal search engine optimization, which is something that we've developed here at Blam, means that we can help a local business that's looking to attract a local audience. And when somebody is local and they're doing a search and they find a website or a Google My Business page, it means they've done that search with intent to take action. So the great thing about optimizing for local intent means that people take action and we get results quicker. So we love hyperlocal SEO because it means local people are going to find the businesses that we work for and they're going to buy from them or they're going to make inquiries. Now you can charge hyperlocal SEO, we recommend in the region of $350 per month. So for $350 per month, the local businesses are going to get fantastic value because that's going to be driving traffic to their Google My Business page, the Maps page when people are doing a local search, which in turn makes the phone ring, they get bookings, people visit the website. So this product is absolutely fantastic. For some businesses that are going for more of a broader reach, you could swap that out for SEO, and SEO starts at $350, but it could go anything up to over $1,000 a month for the right kind of business. But in this instance, I'm just going to show you the simple numbers to get you to that 100K. So number 3 would be, we call it PPC, which stands for pay-per-click. And what that really is usually Google, but it could be Facebook or TikTok or LinkedIn. But we're talking about running pay-per-click ads. Now, pay-per-click ads get pretty much immediate results, or they certainly get results very quickly for the customer because it means that we produce an ad campaign that then appears in Google when somebody does a search, and every time somebody clicks on that ad, that's where the pay-per-click comes through, they get charged. But it means, again, you've got somebody who's done a search, who has intent, and then when they click on that link, it takes them through to the website. And again, because we've got our website built, that means we can build the landing pages and make where they go to be very hyper specific to what it is that they've clicked on. And then we've got a nice loop going on there. The Google management, again, I would start from round about $350 per month. And that is the management fee. They also pay for ads on top of that, which they pay directly to Google or Facebook or whoever's running the ads. And that will depend on the business and the local market, etc. But from your perspective, to run that campaign, to do that management, you'll be charging $350. Now, this is what I would call a bit of a sweet spot customer. You could add some other products to that as well, such as CRM, or you could add a combination of more than one kind of ad. But this is a pretty straightforward, nice package that's going to get results, that is very effective. And so if we add that up, we've got a monthly recurring revenue of $850 per month. So in other words, with one client, you're going to be getting $850 per month, and that means that over the year, that's going to generate you your 100K if you times that by 10 clients. So if you do that 10 times, that's going to get you a little bit past your 100K per year. And that's how you get to your first 100K. And you can do that with just 10 clients on a basic package like that. Now, the truth is, particularly if you're a Blam partner, one of the benefits of the Blam partnership is that all of this is going to be delivered by your team, which means that 10 clients is a drop in the ocean. And we'll show you how you can sell a package similar to this to lots and lots of clients and do that on repeat, so that your first 100Ks, your first 10 clients, we want to be aiming for 100 clients. And you can do the maths on that one. So if you want to find out more about how we do this at Blam, there'll be a link below where you can book on a discovery call and find out more about exactly how we go about doing that, and see if you want to go through the process of using Blam to fast track to running your agency, or whether you just want to take the information that we give you and have a go at doing it yourself. Either way, we love helping entrepreneurs, we love helping people that are looking to start their own agency, and we'd love to talk to you about it too. So click below. If you want to like and subscribe, that would be awesome too. Or if you want to comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know what else you'd like to know about running your own digital agency. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.